Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use the upper formula in Excel. This powerful function is designed to transform any text string into all capital letters, making your data consistent and easy to read. It's incredibly straightforward, requiring just one piece of information: the text you wish to convert. Whether you're cleaning up a list of names or standardizing product codes, Upper is a fantastic tool for ensuring uniformity across your spreadsheets. Let's dive into the simple steps to apply it effectively. To apply the upper formula, simply select an empty cell where you want the uppercase text to appear. Then, type an equals sign, followed by upper and an opening parenthesis. Inside the parentheses, you'll specify the text. This can be a reference to another cell, like Aeon, or a direct text string such as Hello World enclosed in double quotation marks. Close the parenthesis and press Enter to see your text instantly converted to all caps. It's that simple to implement. Let's look at some practical uses. Imagine you have a list of customer names in column B, some in lowercase, some mixed. You can apply upper to the entire column to make all names consistently uppercase. For instance, if Beatwo contains John Doe, using equals upper, Beatwo will result in John Doe. This is perfect for standardizing product codes, ensuring every entry like item 123 becomes item 123. It helps maintain data integrity across your entire workbook. When using the upper function, a few best practices can enhance your workflow. First, always ensure your cell references are correct to avoid errors. Second, for larger datasets, it's often beneficial to use a helper column to display the uppercase text, keeping your original data intact. Finally, if you no longer need the formula and just want the static uppercase text, simply copy the cells, then paste special as values to remove the underlying formula. This keeps your spreadsheet clean and efficient.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.